Oh, perfect. Feeling ko limited edition to. See, the box is giving pa lang. Let's try to open na. Hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. And today, I'm so excited to share with you one of the most anticipated promo treats ni Starbucks. And para to sa mga mahilig magkape dyan, uminom ng frap, bumili ng refresher drinks sa Starbucks. At ito na guys, gonna be starting to show with you the promo treats, which is the Starbucks Bag Mystery Cameroon. Mystery bag? Tama, mystery bag. So let's now open the first item inside this mystery bag. Okay? Tignan natin guys kung mahit niya ba or malagpasan niya yung price nung mismong presyo nitong Starbucks bag na. Okay, let's start with it's a Christmas edition cup from Starbucks. I guess 195 pesos to pag bibilin mo siya. And it's giving, it's giving a bloody red cup. So, okay na din siya, Christmas edition. And then, the next one is, feeling ko hot and cold na tumbler. Okay, let's see what's inside. It's giving Christmas edition again, but in blue color. So, magkano ba to? Guys, it's 2,095 pesos. See? Medyo okay na rin naman siya. Nakaka-total of 2-3 na tayo, I guess. Sa dalawang item pa lang to. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung laman nitong Starbucks mystery bag na. But it's giving Christmas. Chanan! Hot and cold. Okay, now let's try again to see what's inside. Oh, I like the color. I guess hot and cold pa rin siya, but it's giving Tiffany color. You all guys, perfect. See, the color is giving. It's Tiffany color. And magkano ba siya? It's 1,795 pesos. Guys, perfect. Medyo lumalamang na tayo sa mismong price ng mystery bag na to. Giving siya. Okay. And now, for the last one, apat yung laman niya, guys. So, not bad na rin siya. Nakabox siya, guys. Sobrang bigat. Kaliman na natin to. Ayan. Oh, perfect. Feeling ko limited edition to. See, the box is giving pa lang. Let's try to open na. Oh, it's a mag. Perfect to, guys. Very static yung color niya. Oh! I guess it's the 26th anniversary ng Starbucks here sa Philippines. See, guys? Oh my God, it's giving. Ang price niya is 1,475 pesos. Oh, not bad na, guys. Yung price ng mystery bag, diba, is 2,500 lang siya. So, technically, kapag kinumpit mo lahat to, pag tinotal mo siya, lalagpas ka ng 5K. So, good na rin siya. Good deal na rin siya. And I'm happy na I received these items kasi sobrang ganda, guys. We have mug here. And also, hot and cold tumbler. Meron tayong dalawa dito. It's giving Tiffany color, Christmas vibe, eat all. And then, pwede natin ito gamitin for cold coffee, cold water, hot coffee. Ito guys, pang ano lang to, feeling ko pang mga iced coffee lang siya. Mga cold drinks lang siya. And refreshers. Diba guys? So not bad na rin. And now, I'm gonna be ending this unboxing ng mystery Starbucks bag. And I would just like to extend my thank you to Starbucks kasi nagbigay sila ng ganitong promo tips for us na mahilig talaga order sa Starbucks. So, good deal na to, guys. And again, see you very soon for my next video. Bye! Yay!